Hey, do you know how to assemble this bookshelf?
Yeah, I think so. What do the instructions say?
I'm not sure, let me check. It says we need a screwdriver and a hammer.
Got it. So, we start by attaching the sides to the back panel, right?
Yeah, that's correct. Then we secure them with the screws provided.
Should we do that before or after we attach the shelves?
The instructions say to attach the shelves next and then secure everything with the screws.
Okay, got it. After that, we need to attach the top panel, right?
Exactly. And then finally, we hammer in the back panel to secure everything in place.
Sounds simple enough. Should we double-check our work before moving on to the next step?
That's a good idea.
Agreed. I'll grab the screwdriver and start on the sides while you work on the back panel.
Sounds like a plan. Let me know if you need any help or if anything is unclear.
Will do. Thanks for going through the instructions with me. It makes it so much easier to follow them step by step.
No problem at all. It's always better to be on the same page when it comes to putting things together.